Welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to use WP Travel Engine, the most popular WordPress tour booking plugin that helps you create a complete travel and tour booking website with ease. Whether you're running a travel agency or starting a new tour business, this plugin gives you everything you need, from an easy itinerary builder to advanced search filters and smart booking features. You'll learn how to set up travel packages, manage bookings, customize payment gateways, and track your business performance with the built-in analytics dashboard. I'll also guide you through adding destinations, activities, and trip types to make your website more organized and user-friendly. By the end of this video, you'll be ready to launch a fully functional tour booking website that looks professional and drives more sales. So, stay tuned and watch the video till the end to learn everything step by step. Let's go.